Hello, guys, and welcome back. So today will be the first day of the assembling process of the fairing. Today I'm planning to disconnect everything and see what changes I will need to have to be done on the electrical components because I believe that the headlight will be pushed a little bit forward, so probably it will not be completed by tomorrow. I will need some extra cabling, and but let's see. Let's try it out. Without trying it out, we don't know exactly what can happen. This is 1 horsepower motorcycle. Or is it 1 horse push motorcycle? I don't know. So this is the best illuminated part of the garage. So that's where I'm going to do the operation, at least this first part. Okay, so these are all the instructions that came with the part. I know I will be adding this one and also seeing where this one can go, because I think that in my case I have the rectifier here, so not sure if I can replace it or how can I replace it, but I think it's possible. So I remove it, apply this bar here, and then the rectifier goes back on top. Well, let's try it. But first, to disassemble everything, I will remove the seat. I have to remove the gas tank because there's a hole here that will have to be a little bit widened. I have to remove the headlight, or at least I don't plan to remove everything, but probably I will have to just disconnect it and have it hanging around for some time. I will see how that goes. Okay, I have there my work table with the tools that I'm thinking I'm going to need. I have the drill ready also, so to open up that little bit hole behind the gas tank. But yeah, wish me luck. Okay, first problem I noticed, the drill that I have is not wide enough. I need a bigger one. This thing is the one that will be holding everything there. So I will need to get me a bigger drill for this. So yeah, it will not be completed by this weekend, I think, or else I can go shopping really fast for something that's bigger. Okay, so after like half an hour working on this, I got everything disassembled. I removed everything. I've cleaned it up because it was already kind of dirty because I've been riding it, of course. I haven't taken the gas tank out because it was not necessary. I was just disassembling the electrical part. Things I noticed. So I need to I needed to remove this thing here, the rectifier, because one of the parts will be installed here. So this one will come here, and it will hold the lower part of the thingy. The other thing will go here directly, pointing forward, of course. So I think now I'm all set. I just need, these were the tools that were used, so not many even so. These are the parts that are out for now. So this one kind of scares me a little bit because the screws were not very good. So this probably I ordered from, I think I ordered from Wrench Monkeys, really. But yeah, so it's kind of borked already. So these were the holders for the light, the headlamp. We have still here the screws. Here, I just wanted to show you the thing I created for this. So this is the button for the controls. But yeah, I created this from scratch. It has this protection because it has a lot of wiring inside. I'm not sure I will be able to keep it here because I think the headlight will come a little bit forward and down. So I will have to check it. But, well, that's something also easy that I can do, knowing that I have that part already here. So in the end, it should be something like this. I have to lower this part. I have to lower this one also. Yeah, still a lot of changes to do here, but let's see. I'm confident, and also the cabling, I'm not sure that I will get enough cable inside the headlight lamp to connect the headlight, but it will be tricky. Probably I will need to have kind of an extension for this cable, or I can see if I can pull a little bit more from somewhere. Not sure where, but probably there will be some slacks still that I can just think. As it will be fixed, because this part turns, but this will be fixed, probably I still can fetch 1 or 2 centimeters from somewhere. If not, I will just have to put this inside and then have an extender here, like the other guy did on the Return of the Cafe Racers. So for now, this is it. Today it ends here. I will now have to move all this into storage. And tomorrow I start assembling all the parts. And, well, tomorrow is the big day, so let's see. I will leave my machine here because nobody steals in this building, so I can just leave it like it is. I will only move the tools and all the separate parts into my storage. So, see you tomorrow.